Hello everyone. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create an animated opening slide for your PowerPoint presentation. So let's start the video. First, go to Insert, click on Picture and insert picture from this device. Select and insert it. Click on Picture Format. Rename the image. Click Right. Duplicate the slide. Go to Picture Format. Click Remove Background and keep what you want, remove the rest. Duplicate again. Go to Image Format, click Remove Background and remove this. Now we are going to original image and let's add some text here. We are typing Explore here. Change the color. Let's make the font extra bold and the size will also increase. Go to Shape Format and add a shadow to the text. Cut this picture using Ctrl X and paste it here. Duplicate the text box. Write nature here. Again, cut this picture using Ctrl X and paste it here. Duplicate the slide. Select text boxes. See how it is coming from behind different mountains and shift them out of the slide. Click Right. Go to Text option and increase transparency. To make the opening slide more dynamic, we will apply a morph transition to the slides. Go to another slides. Now go to the Transition tab, select Morph and PowerPoint will create a smooth motion effect between two slides. So friends, a professional animated opening slide ready for your PowerPoint presentation. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more PowerPoint tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.